So here's what nobody tells you. Most people posting affiliate links every week are skipping one thing that actually turns a stranger into a buyer. And honestly, it's not what you think it is. I went down a rabbit hole on affiliate free traffic recently, read through guides from ClickBank, dug through Reddit threads, watched a handful of YouTube creators break down what's actually working right now. And I kept seeing the same pattern over and over again. People are doing the hard part. They're showing up, posting content on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook groups, etc., writing blog posts, putting in real effort every single week, and they're still not making money. So I started asking why. The answer surprised me because it has almost nothing to do with the platform you're using. It's not that YouTube is better than Pinterest, or blogging is dead, or that TikTok doesn't work for affiliates. The issue is a missing asset. I'm going to walk you through exactly what it is, why it matters, and how a handful of visitors a day can turn into income you can actually count on. But first, you need to understand why the way most people do this is basically designed to fail, and why every day you keep doing it the old way is another day of clicks disappearing forever. Here's what happens: you find an affiliate offer, you get your link, you post content somewhere, a YouTube video, social media post, somebody clicks, they land on a sales page they've never seen before from a person they've never heard of, asking them to spend money right now. Think about that for a second. A complete stranger, cold, no relationship, no trust, no context, and we're expecting them to pull out their credit card on the spot. Most of them don't. They close the tab, and that click you worked so hard to get, gone. Forever. You will never see that person again. This isn't guesswork. ClickBank's own published affiliate training guide specifically recommends that affiliates send traffic to a landing page that capture an email address before ever presenting the offer, not after. Before. John Thornhill, who's been teaching affiliate marketing publicly for well over a decade, has made the same point repeatedly. Warm traffic converts, cold traffic doesn't. A capture page is what does the warming. This is the documented structure that separates affiliates who build sustainable income from the ones who burn out posting into the void. The missing asset is a lead capture page, a simple page that sits between your content and the affiliate offer. Instead of sending someone straight to a sales page, you send them here first. They put in their name and email. Now you have a way to follow up. That's it. That's the piece most people skip. And the longer they skip it, the more they're just donating their traffic to the internet. Here's where it gets interesting. Once you have their contact info, an automated email sequence can do the convincing for you. Over the days, over the weeks, not in one shot, not in one click, gradually, the way trust actually gets built. Impact. Calms Creator Marketing Guide makes this explicit. Affiliate conversions improve when creators demonstrate the product in context and build trust over time. But you can't build trust in a single cold click. You need time. You need follow up. Email gives you that. It's the only channel in this whole process where you own the relationship and control the timing. Every other platform can change its algorithm tomorrow. Your email list can't be taken from you. So now picture this. You post a piece of content, a video, a blog post, whatever you're comfortable with. Someone finds it, clicks through, lands on your capture page, and gives you their email. Maybe they don't buy today. That's fine. Tomorrow, they get an email from you, and a few days later, another one. Each one answers a question, shares a story, builds a little more trust. A week later, they buy. And here's the part that really matters, the part that makes this worth doing right now instead of waiting. That content you posted, it's still out there, still bringing in new people. This is one of the most consistently reported advantages of free traffic strategies. Reddit users across multiple affiliate marketing communities have noted that CEO optimized posts and answers keep driving clicks for months, even years after the original post goes live. YouTube creators who produce tutorials and review style videos report the same thing. Evergreen content keeps attracting people who are already searching for a solution, long after the creator stopped actively promoting it. Your free traffic keeps working, even after you stop posting, but only if you have that capture page in place, collecting contacts along the way. Without it, all that long term traffic just disappears. The moment someone closes a tab, you're building you're building on sand instead of bedrock. Now the reason most affiliates burn out, and I saw this complaint everywhere, across Reddit threads, YouTube comment sections, affiliate forums, isn't bad content. It's not the wrong platform. The pattern is almost always the same. Creators spread themselves across too many channels, never build one reliable source, and keep sending cold strangers straight to sales pages expecting an instant yes. When it doesn't happen, they grind harder, post more, try another platform. Eventually, they just quit. That's the cycle. And it breaks your heart a little because the effort is real. The problem isn't ethic. The problem isn't the system, or really the lack of one. And the cost of staying in the cycle isn't just frustration, it's months of content that could have been building a list, compounding quietly in the background, but didn't. When you put the pieces together, a capture page collecting contacts, an email follow up doing the convincing, a system that answers questions for people even when you're not around, the math changes completely. You don't need thousands of visitors. Even a handful a day consistently starts to add up fast. Those contacts don't disappear when they close the tab. They stay on your list. They keep getting emails. And over time, some of them buy. That's the real monthly commission. That's how real monthly commission checks get built. Not from one viral post, but from a system that compounds. And the difference between affiliates who figure this out this month versus 6 months from now is 6 months of list growth they'll never get back. One creator I came across in this research put it simply: pick one platform, pick one platform where your buyers hang out, pick one problem, and create at least 10 pieces of content around it before you judge whether it's working. That's patience most people don't have. But when you pair that patience with a capture page and follow up emails, you're not just hoping for clicks anymore. You're building something that keeps working in the background while you live your life. So here's the thing: if what I just walked through resonates with you, the capture page, the email follow up, the system that sells even when you're offline, don't sit on it. The entire infrastructure is already built and ready to go. You can earn up to $128 per customer in residual commissions every month. Every week you wait is another week of traffic leaving without a trace. The link is in the description below.